Do you ever have an Excel file and you just cannot figure out what Excel function you need to use to get the correct result? I'm Chris Menard. I'm here to tell you that Copilot Chat has you covered. In this Excel example, I have employee IDs in column A. I also have them in column D. They could be on another worksheet and they could even be in another file. What I'm trying to figure out though is if the employee IDs in column A are also listed in column D. If they are, let's return yes or true, and if they're not, let's return no or false. Let's say you cannot figure out what Excel function to use. Well, pop over into Copilot Chat, which is free. I have Copilot Chat running. Just so you know, I have an M365 Copilot license. That is why I have work and web at the top. If you don't have a Copilot license, you will not see this, but you're actually still using web and this works. My prompt, what Excel function will compare items in two lists? And then I even give it an example, for example, an email in one list and the same email in another. And I tell it, let's return true or yes, send this off to Copilot. It comes back and it tells me the example to use, and I like this. Then it goes on to tell me what Excel function to use, which is also great. And then if I scroll down some, it goes into an explanation of the match function, is number function, if function. So I'm just going to simply highlight this here, copy it. I could have copied it over here, by the way, also. I am back in Microsoft Excel. I'm going to go to cell B2 and let's paste it. I should get an error message actually. Yes. And the reason I did is it's going to cell A2, but it's also doing column B through column B. Let's just change that to D. I definitely should get a yes for A1. It is in cell A2 and it's also in cell D2. Let's just double click and fill that down. Take a quick look. Cell A3 has A2 and I see it over here. A5 is a no, and I do not have A5 listed in D2 in column D. So this is definitely working. B22, yep, S1. Let's do another no. T13 is a no. Let's come over here and add T13, and it went to yes. So there is Copilot helping you out with Excel functions when you need it to. And just so you know this, I could have told Copilot to change the formula. Let's go do it over here. Change the B:B to D:D. I could have told it to do that if I wanted to, if you ever want to do that. Absolutely, it'll change it for you with no problem. But to me, it was just as easy to change it in Microsoft Excel. So this is a great feature right there. Thank you for your time. My Copilot training is available online along with my Excel training, Teams, and OneNote. Thank you so much.